Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to recover a deleted Bumble account. Recovering a deleted Bumble account can be challenging as Bumble does not allow user to restore an account once it has been deleted. However, if you simply deactivated your account instead of deleting it, you can reactivate it. Here's how to approach both situations. If you deleted your Bumble account, you need to understand the policy. Once you deleted your Bumble account, it is permanently removed and Bumble cannot restore it. This includes all your matches, messages and profile information. If you want to return to Bumble, you will need to create a new account using the same phone number or email address. Just follow the regular sign-up process. If you have deactivated your Bumble account, reinstall the application. If you deleted the application from the device, reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. And open the application and log in using your original account credentials. Once logged in, your account should be reactivated automatically. You'll regain access to your previous matches and messages. Other things to keep in mind that there is no data recovery for deleted account. Be aware that data from a permanent deleted account cannot be recovered. If you have any issues during the process, you can contact Bumble support for assistance. By following these steps, you can either create a new account or reactivate your deactivated account on Bumble. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.